Content is a credential. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollock. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, what your content says about you. If you were to look up the definition of credential in the dictionary, you'd learn that it is defined as evidence of someone's status, of someone's authority, evidence of their rights, or even entitlement to certain privileges. Often in the legal world, we think of a credential as where we went to law school, where we went to undergrad, the bars that we are members of, awards we've won. Well, guess what? That all might be true, but content can be a credential as well. Content could be evidence of someone's authority or status. When you've created content over time, whether it's blog posts, articles in third-party publications, videos, podcasts, you name it, when you've created content over time, you're giving evidence of your authority, evidence of your status, because the would-be client, the would-be referral source can look at all the content you created and know that you understand what you're talking about, that you are knowledgeable and wise about the issues that you are talking about, and presumably, if they're coming to you for help regarding those same issues, you are the person to talk to and perhaps even to retain. Let me give you a hypothetical to prove my point. Let's say that you are the general counsel at a large company and you have been made aware of allegations of bribery on the part of people or divisions of the company. You now need to hire a lawyer in a law firm to conduct an internal investigation regarding bribery and get to the bottom of what may have happened. So you've done your research and now you've whittled down your list of people to two attorneys. One attorney, they're both white-collar internal investigation attorneys, by the way. One attorney has a long list of matters that they've worked on and has noted that they've won these awards and has been listed in chambers for 2 years running as one of the top bands for white-collar defense and internal investigations. However, they don't have any blog posts. They have an occasional article, but not much. So you have to go based on their bio and basically take their word for their knowledge and wisdom regarding internal investigations. The second attorney, on the other hand, doesn't have as many matters listed on their online bio, doesn't have as many awards listed on their online bio, and certainly doesn't have a chambers ranking like the first attorney. But that second attorney is a prolific creator of content concerning white-collar crime, internal investigations, and the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. They have a normal blog where they're posting 2 to 3 times a month regarding developments in white-collar law, internal investigations, and the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. They've had a couple of videos. They've been a guest on podcasts, and they've written articles that have been published in third-party publications. Based on the content that this second attorney has created, there is no doubt that they know the ins and outs of internal investigations, especially regarding Foreign Corrupt Practices Act and other bribery issues. Now, which attorney would you choose? The attorney who has more matters and has some awards, but isn't giving you an idea of what they know and what they can bring to the table? Or the second attorney, who is a prolific content creator and has demonstrated to you time and again through blog posts and through other content that they know what they're talking about, they're knowledgeable, they're wise, and that they know how to handle these situations. I'm sure there are some general counsel that might decide that the traditionally credentialed attorney number one, is the better bet based on the matters and based on the awards. But there is a large contingent, and I would argue larger contingent, of general counsel who would look at the second attorney and the content they created and say, look, all things being equal, these two attorneys are at equally prominent firms. These firms are both equally capable. These attorneys clearly have been in practice for 2 decades and they know what they're talking about. But this second attorney has demonstrated their knowledge and their wisdom in a much clearer way than the first attorney. Sure, the first attorney has a great reputation, but the second attorney has showed us through the content how they could help us. We understand that they are knowledgeable and wise because they've told us and they've shown it through their content. Here, content is a credential. It is evidence of an attorney's status and authority because it has demonstrated to a prospective client how smart, how intelligent, how knowledgeable, and how wise the attorney is about the exact kind of issues this potential client needs help with. I know traditionally credentials are all about awards and where you went to school, but today, in this content age, in the thought leadership marketing age, content is a credential. Content is evidence of your status and your authority with respect to the area of law you practice and the kinds of issues you can help your clients with. Embrace that, understand that, and create content with this idea in mind. If you're curious about how to create thought leadership marketing and business development content that can help credentialize you, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos and blogs that can help you do just that.